Introducing the Forno Palazzo 60-inch wall-mounted range hood, designed for powerful ventilation. With a 1,000 cubic feet per minute dual motor, it efficiently removes smoke, grease, and odors, ensuring a fresh cooking environment. Baffle filters trap grease effectively and are dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Featuring a 4-speed fan control, you can adjust the ventilation to suit different cooking needs. Enjoy effortless control with touch and remote operation, allowing you to adjust settings from anywhere in the kitchen. Bright LED lighting enhances visibility over your cooktop while remaining energy efficient. Built from durable stainless steel, this range hood resists heat and stains for long-lasting performance. The ducted ventilation system ensures efficient air expulsion. Versatile installation allows for both wall-mounted and under-cabinet setups. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.